Why do students make mistakes like these? I am knowing the answer. She have completed her homework. I am going to school every day. ग्रामर रूल्स याद करने के बाद भी स्टूडेंट्स ये मिस्टेक क्यों करते हैं? Because most students learn tenses by memorizing formulas, not by understanding them. और जब ये अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्लियर नहीं होती तो एग्ज़ाम हॉल में कन्फ्यूजन स्टार्ट हो जाता है. Should I say study? I am studying, have studied, or have been studying. Sound familiar? In the next 10 minutes, we are going to make present tenses super easy. Welcome to English Made Easy by Tanvi, and let's make grammar easy. First, let's understand one important thing. Present tense has only 4 main forms: present simple, present continuous, present perfect continuous. बस पूरा प्रेजेंट टेंस इन्हीं 4 आइडियाज़ के अराउंड घूमता है. इफ़ यू अंडरस्टैंड दीज 4 आइडियाज़, ग्रामर ऑटोमेटिकली ईजी हो जाएगी. एंड हियर इज़ अ सुपर ईजी मेमोरी ट्रिक. हैबिट, नाउ, डन, स्टिल गोइंग. जस्ट रिमेंबर दीज 4 वर्ड्स: हैबिट, नाउ, डन, स्टिल गोइंग. पूरा प्रेजेंट टेंस याद रहेगा. प्रेजेंट सिंपल इज़ यूज्ड फॉर हैबिट्स एंड रूटीन्स, यानी ऐसे एक्शंस जो रेगुलरली होते हैं. एक्शंस दैट हैपन अगेन एंड अगेन, एवरी डे, एवरी वीक या जनरली इन लाइफ. इफ समथिंग इज पार्ट ऑफ योर रूटीन, देन वी यूज प्रेजेंट सिंपल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई स्टडी इंग्लिश एवरी डे. शी गोज टू स्कूल एवरी डे. दे प्ले क्रिकेट ऑन संडेज. द सन राइजेज इन द ईस्ट. नाउ notice something. These actions are not necessarily happening right now, लेकिन ये person's routine या general truth का एक part है. That's why we use present simple. Now, I have an easy trick for you. Whenever you see words like every day, usually, always, often, your brain should immediately think present simple, because these words usually indicate habits and routines. Remember the formula: subject plus verb 1 plus s or es. For example, he studies English. She plays football. Now let's compare 2 sentences. I study English every day. This is my habit. I am studying English right now. ये एक्शन इस वक्त हो रहा है. दैट्स द मेन डिफरेंस. हैबिट, प्रेजेंट सिंपल. राइट नाउ, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस. सिंपल, राइट? आई होप you understood this much. Now, here is a challenge for you. Tell me which sentence is correct. Aryan is going to school every day, or Aryan goes to school every day. The correct answer is Aryan goes to school every day. Why? Because it is a habit, and habits use present simple. Easy, right? Let's come to present continuous tense, which means right now. Now imagine this. Right now you're watching this video. क्या ये habit है? No. This action is happening at this moment. So we use present continuous. See the formula: subject plus ismr plus verb plus ing. For example, I am watching TV. She is cooking. They are playing football. Now, let me tell you a simple rule. Action happening right now, then use present continuous tense. Now compare 2 sentences. I study English. That is a habit. I am studying English. ये एक्शन इस वक्त हो रहा है. बस इतना सा ही डिफरेंस है. Now, here is a quick challenge for you. Choose the correct sentence. She cooks dinner now, or she is cooking dinner now. The correct answer is she is cooking dinner now, because the action is happening right now. Remember, something that is happening right now, then we have to use present continuous tense. Now, let's talk about present perfect tense. ये टेंस स्टूडेंट्स को सबसे ज़्यादा कंफ्यूज करता है, बट एक्चुअली इट्स वेरी सिंपल. द एक्शन इज़ कंप्लीट, लेकिन उसका रिजल्ट या इफ़ेक्ट अभी भी इम्पॉर्टेंट है. लेट्स सी द फॉर्मूला. सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैज़ और हैव प्लस वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I have finished my homework. She has completed her project. They have arrived. Let me give you an easy trick. जो काम हो चुका है, but result still matters now. For example, I have lost my keys. मतलब कीज खो चुकी हैं, लेकिन जो प्रॉब्लम है वो अभी भी एग्जिस्ट करती है, इसलिए हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस यूज़ करते हैं. Here's a challenge for you now. Tell me the correct sentence. I completed my homework or I have completed my homework. Both can be correct, but the result matters now. Present perfect sounds better. Remember, done means present perfect. Now comes present perfect continuous tense. Something which is still going on. This has the longest name in present tense, but the easiest logic. Let's see the formula first. Subject plus has or have been plus verb plus ing. Now let me give you some examples. I have been studying for 2 hours. She has been working since morning. They have been playing since 5 p.m. Let me give you an easy trick. First of all, ask yourself 2 questions. क्या एक्शन पहले स्टार्ट हुआ था, या क्या एक्शन अभी भी कंटिन्यू हो रहा है? अगर दोनों का आंसर येस है तो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस यूज़ करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव बीन टीचिंग इंग्लिश फॉर 5 years. टीचिंग पहले स्टार्ट हुई थी और अभी भी कंटिन्यू हो रही है. आई हैव एन बोनस एग्ज़ाम टिप फॉर यू. हियर्स एन अनदर शॉर्टकट. सिंस आप तब यूज़ करेंगे जब आपको कोई स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट पता हो, जैसे सिंस मॉर्निंग, सिंस मंडे, सिंस 2020. और फॉर आप तब यूज़ करोगे जब आपको कोई ड्यूरेशन बताना हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फॉर 2 hours, फॉर 5 years, फॉर 3 months. Whenever you see since or for, present perfect continuous को ज़रूर चेक करो. Now I have brought master comparison for you. Let me compare all the 4 sentences using one example. I study English every day. This is a habit. I am studying English now, something which is happening right now. I have finished my English homework, something which is done but results matter now. I have been studying English for 2 hours, something which is still continuing. One subject, 4 different meanings. That's the power of tenses. Here is the final quiz. Fill in the blank. She dash since morning. First option, works. Second, is working. Third, has been working. Tell me the correct answer. The correct answer is third part, has been working. Because the action started earlier and it is still continuing. Most students think tenses are difficult, but today you have seen that present tense is actually just 4 simple ideas. Habit, now, done, still going. बस अगर ये 4 आइडिया समझ गए, ग्रामर कभी भी डिफ़िकल्ट नहीं लगेगी. Remember the magic formula, habit, now, done, still going. And that's when English becomes easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to English Made Easy by Tanvi. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.